Alright, so we're about to get into the spacesuit, and first thing we need is a battery. Why do we need a battery, you might be wondering? That's to power the fan that's right here to bring oxygen into the suit so that I don't run out of oxygen. As you can see, you climb into the suit. We have this step stool right here and this bar to hold on to. And if we want to come around this side real quick and we can show the unlocking mechanism. So once I'm in the suit, I'll be able to use this hand to grab this lever and wiggle myself free here. So the whole point of this is to try to be able to have people get into a spacesuit by themselves. So let's see how this goes. I'll need somebody else to plug my fan in, I think. Actually, I'll try to do that by myself too. Let's see. Step up right here on this ledge, pull up, and what's difficult is wiggling in the suit because there is a lot of friction in here with the material, and so you kind of have to shimmy your way in, point your foot. You're gonna hear a lot of grunting, it's okay. And I'm pulling on the inner legs now. Try to pull my foot all the way in through. Okay, left foot in. Plug the fan. Right foot in. Same deal. Pull the inner leg, point my foot, slide right in. Now, for the battery, I might be able to zip this up by myself too. Let's try that out. And in. So now we can go ahead and close this up. Get on the other side. Alright. Now to get the arms in, same deal, it's much easier than the legs. Hands in, lock, pull the lever, and you are in the suit. So now we're getting out of the suit, and we're going to need to dock this lip right here on this lip right here, fits perfectly. And then I'm going to need to pull this to allow this part of the suit to lock in and then drop it down. And once I'm locked in, I'll be able to unzip and take the suit off. So let's try that now. This part is tricky by yourself. You may need assistance. Getting some guidance from my IVs right now. Okay. Takes a little wiggling. You definitely have to be okay being in a flop position for a long time. So, not an exact science. You have to make sure it's all. Now. Okay, feel like I'm in the lift, and I'm locked in. Take this, pull the gloves off. And that is the easy part. The hard part. Gotta unzip myself here. There we go. And plug the fan from the battery. Now this is maybe the trickiest part. Getting out, you wanna pull up on this bar right here and wiggle your feet until they are free. Let's see how quick I can do this. And on this ledge again, down the stool, you're out of the spacesuit. Don't forget to plug in the battery. This is the hardest part. Cool.